In today's video, we're going to just jump right into it and talk about Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. This is the purple product that I've been using for years and have absolutely no reason at all to try anything different because it's worked that well and it's cost effective. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you how to dilute it, how to use it, and the products I use to get those wheels clean. So let's get on it. So Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner can be easily purchased on Amazon, or if there's a Walmart nearby, go over there. It's right on the shelf. You can get it at any time you want. So at Walmart, it's going to come in a bottle like this. Same thing with Amazon, a small spray bottle, which works just fine. You can also buy it by the gallon through Amazon, or if you want to buy it direct through Adams Polishes. They also have, I believe, a 5-gallon option if you use a lot of it. Now, just jumping into dilution ratios. If you don't know what that means, what a dilution ratio is how much product you're going to use, in this case, Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner, to water. You're going to dilute it. I've used it 1-to-1, so 1 part Adams to 1 part water. So when you buy a gallon or even a small spray bottle, you can take this amount of volume and essentially double it, and it still works very, very well. Let's talk about how you're actually going to use it on your wheel and tires. There's a couple different ways. You can use the retail bottle that it comes with, or you can use a Zep bottle, which many people know about. You can get these at Home Depot for typically less than $5. You can also get into what I happen to love, an IK. This happens to be their Mini 360. I also have the larger bottles of the 360 as well. I happen to like these better. I'll do a whole another bottle video about this, why I like these versus the Zeps. However, I'll always use my IK foaming bottle to get this product, the Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner, onto the tire. The reason being is that when it's foamed, even on a 1-to-1 dilution ratio, it sticks to the tire really well. So it allows the product to dwell on the wheel and tire, to break down the old tire dressing, to break down the brake dust and any other debris you have on your wheel. Brushes. These are the brushes I'm going to use to detail the wheel, and you just need a few of them to get into all the nooks and crannies of a wheel. So I will be using a easy detail brush, and what this is great for, number one, it's longer. You're going to get deeper into the barrel and in between every single spoke. Next, I would use a boar's hair brush, which is very well used with a wood handle and a plastic ferrule, to get into the tiny corners and between the lugs. I'll also use a Detail Factory brush for the rubber tires to give it a nice scrub down. And then lastly, for the face of the wheels, I will use, I don't think you can get these anymore, but you probably get something similar like a wool mitt or something to this effect. This is a microfiber mitt, which is triangular in shape, which is a great shape, and I can actually hold it in my hand to get the face of the wheels, or if I want to get behind the spokes, which I happen to like to do myself. And those are the products or tools that I use to clean all of my wheels and tires with Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. The rinse. Lastly, all you need to do now is rinse your wheel and tire with your pressure washer or your hose, if that's what you're going to be using. Use what you got, and just make sure you rinse everything off. By the way, through this entire process, be sure you're not using it on a hot wheel and tire. Like, don't just drive and just start going at it. Let it cool down, and when at all possible, do this in the shade out of direct sunlight. That's pretty much all I ever use to clean my wheels and tires is Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. It's effective, it's cost effective because you can't dilute it 1-to-1 and it still works very, very well. It's easy to get on Amazon or Walmart, and it just works. I have no other reason to try anything else right now. So if you like this video, check out the other videos that either here or here that YouTube thinks that might interest you, and I will see you on the next video.